Gravidity refers to total number of times a woman has been pregnant, including current pregnancy, irrespective of outcome. In simple words, total pregnancies including the present one. In case of twins, triplets, etc., count as one pregnancy event. One pregnancy event has occurred with a number of outcomes as 2. In case of triplets, one pregnancy event has occurred, but the number of outcomes are 3. Some important terminologies. Nulli is a woman who has never been pregnant. Primigravida is a woman who has been pregnant once or is pregnant for the very first time. And multigravida is a woman who has been pregnant twice or multiple times. This scenario is given, for example, a woman pregnant with her fifth child who has had one previous miscarriage and 3 live births. We'll write down below as G5 para 3 plus 1. Plus 1 is for miscarriage. Parity. Number of pregnancies reaching age of viability 20 plus weeks, cut off as 23 weeks, comes under the heading of parity. Heterotopic pregnancy. Two pregnancies at once. One is intrauterine and another is ectopic, which is present outside uterus. For example, a surgical intervention is done for ectopic pregnancy and the baby is aborted, but the second pregnancy, intrauterine, has reached the age of viability, then we'll write down below as G1 para 1 plus 1. This plus 1 is for the aborted ectopic pregnancy. And in case number 2, if surgical intervention is done for ectopic pregnancy and the baby has been aborted, and suddenly the miscarriage occurs for intrauterine, then we'll write down below as G1 para 0 plus 2 because no pregnancy has reached the age of viability, which is. So in this system, G counts for all pregnancies, P parity counts for viable births, A counts for all the losses, whether spontaneous or induced. Spontaneous means miscarriage and induced mean abortion. In some places, you can also see that 20 plus weeks is taken as the age of viability, but in our curriculum, we take 23 weeks as age of viability. In this case, G6 para 0 plus 6, this means that the woman has conceived 6 times, but none of her pregnancy has reached the age of viability. So plus 6 may indicate miscarriages or abortions.